Find the quadratic polynomial. The last question gave us the polynomial and asked us to compute the zeros and verify it with the coefficients. Here they're asking us to get to the polynomial, provided what they've given us, the sum of the polynomials, sum of the zeros, and they've given us the product of the zeros of this polynomial. What's the sum? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5. In terms of coefficients, we know this is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta, the product of the zeros, the question mentions, is equal to 3, which is equal to a c by a. We'll start with a polynomial of the form x square variant. So it's the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. So I'm going with what will be the polynomial if a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, we know minus b by a is equal to minus 5, which means minus b by 1 is equal to minus 5, translating to the value of b to be equal to 5. So found out b. Now if a is equal to 1, c by a is equal to 3 is what we got here, which means that c upon 1 is equal to 3, which means that c is equal to 3. So we got the value of b, we got the value of c. So what is going to be the polynomial? The polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, because it's a quadratic polynomial. A we have taken it to be a 1, so it's x square. B is equal to 5, so x square plus 5x, and c is equal to 3. So this is the polynomial that we'll have to get. So the last question, we had the polynomial, we found the zeros and verified it. In this question, we got the sum and product of the zeros. We're getting from there to the polynomial. Let's quickly summarize it in a printed form. Zeros of the polynomial are minus b by a, which we know is minus 5. The product of the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus 5. Product of the zeros is equal to c by a, which is equal to 3. If I take a to be equal to a 1, then basically minus b upon 1 is equal to minus 5. So b becomes 5. And c upon 1 is equal to 3, which means c becomes 3. So the polynomial is going to be ax square, which is 1x square plus 5x plus 3. Before you leave, do two things. Sign up at online.maxtute.com for CBSE online coaching for class 10 maths. It takes less than 5 minutes in all of 3 steps to get started. And do one more thing. Subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/maxtute, and spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.